How to check S Pen battery tab S7FE. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to check the S Pen battery on Galaxy Tab S7FE. Note, the S Pen on the Tab S7 doesn't have Bluetooth features, so it may not show a battery percentage. That's normal. The non-Bluetooth S Pen charges inductively and doesn't require manual checking. If it doesn't support air actions, it has no battery to check. Method 1. Via Air Command Panel. Attach the S Pen to the side or back of your tablet. Tap the floating Air Command icon. A menu appears. At the top of this menu, you will see the S Pen battery percentage displayed. Method 2. Via Settings. Open the Settings app. Go to Advanced Features, tap S Pen, then look for S Pen battery stats. It's usually shown at the top of this section. Method 3. Via Notification Panel. 1. Swipe down the notification shade fully to see all quick settings. If the S Pen is connected, the battery level may show up in the list of connected devices or accessories. And here are some quick tips. Tip 1. If your S Pen doesn't support air actions, it doesn't need charging. It's powered directly by the tablet's screen. Tip 2. Always store your S Pen in its magnetic slot when not in use. This prevents loss and keeps it charged if it's a Bluetooth model. And that's it. Now you know how to check the S Pen battery on Galaxy Tab S7FE. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.